Hey, this is Sky with EZ Solar and Electric. Today we're gonna go check out the guys on the roof project, and I get my helper here working with me today. Alright, so we're at the job site here. Got all the guys here. We're doing the actual rip off right now, and then what we're gonna be reinstalling is the new titanium UDL 30. It's a synthetic roofing underlayment, and it comes in 30 years and 50 years. And what had happened in this specific case was we seen some water penetration, and so instead of just like what a lot of solar companies do, they install the solar right on top of it. But in this case, it's definitely in the homeowner's best interest to re-roof, seeing as how the solar panels have a lifetime expectancy of between 25 to 30 years. So we decided to do the entire roof instead of just one section. If you do just a portion of the solar panels, that would have been good for maybe a standard solar company, but for us, because it did have that penetration in one area, it was more than likely that the entire roof is also experiencing that same water penetration. Okay, so when the guys actually come to do the solar installation, we remove each of these tiles similar to this right here. In order to put in their flashing, we need to remove the tile. And when we do remove the tile, what we seen in this specific case was there was some existing roof issues here, and that's why this tar has been applied. And if you see the discoloration of the tar paper, it's a little bit lighter in color than it is up here, and you can see how even it's a little bit flaky. It's beyond its life expectancy right now, just because of the discoloration that you can see from the previous leak. This was actually where a broken tile was located here. So over the course of several years, you know, in our rainy seasons, the water penetrates and it gets in here. So we only do the best work here at EZ Solar and Electric, and we decided that it was definitely in the client's best interest to replace all of this. And this is where we're going to be using that titanium roofing material here to go over the top of all of this. And we're not doing just the portions where we are installing the solar, we're actually doing the entire roof for the client. So as you can see, there's been lots of areas where the water has penetrated over the years. The new roof is in, now the solar installation starts.